If you run an SMMA and you're sick and tired of watching what seems to be like everyone else succeed at their agency while you're left behind wondering, what the hell am I doing wrong? Then you've clicked on the right video. I've literally had hundreds of people reach out to me saying why, despite all of their efforts, your guys' agency still isn't growing. I mean, you've had that vision of success, freedom, growth, but somewhere along the way,
reality hits you hard, bro.
You realize, damn, getting clients is tough. Delivering and actually fulfilling these clients is even harder. There's a lot of people that you're competing with, and there's just always so much to learn. And not only that, it's also the mindset, right? Like the fear of failure, the pressure to succeed. I mean, you know. This is why I've decided to go on a mission to help as many people as possible obtain financial and location freedom through their marketing agencies. You see, in just 3 short months, I figured out how to go from zero to over $60,000 a month in recurring revenue, giving me the ability to travel the world and work from anywhere that I have a stable internet connection. Essentially, I figured out a blueprint that allows agency owners to legally print money with your agency, and I'm ready to share it with you completely for free. I'd like to finally introduce to you guys something that I've been working hard behind the scenes, which I call Hacking SMMA. This is going to be a free community where I will be personally hopping on live mentorship calls twice a month with you guys, doing Q&A, troubleshoots in your business, and giving you specific practical advice on how you can grow your agency. I will also be giving away my Go High Level Snapshot for my agency, which includes all of my funnels, all of my automations, all of my AI booking bot workflows, my meeting reminders, my email drip sequences, and so on. On top of that, I will also be giving you access to all of my SMMA Notion templates that I've been showcasing on this channel, as well as some other ones that we've been working on. And it doesn't end there, because I'll also be giving away free courses, doing international meetups, and ultimately just building a brotherhood of people who are on the same mission and have a like mind. So again, all this is going to be completely for free. So if you want access to this free group, then go down below, hit that subscribe button, and then click the link in the description. I'll see you guys on the inside.